Assalamu alaikum to all the students and a very warm welcome to you all in our English literature class. Actually, this is lesson number 3 which we are going to start today. Okay, last day we had an overview of lesson number 1 and 2. We just connected 1 and 2 to each other so that you may get the objective of this novel in a story way. Okay, story type way. It's a way it will be easy for you to remember. So that's why I made a lecture to connect both the lessons. Now it will be easy for you to connect the previous lecture to the present lecture. Okay, so this is lecture number 6 actually we had now, and we are going to start lesson number 3. The lesson number 3 is I start work. Acha, in the previous 1 and 2 lectures we had three chapters each. Okay, we had 3 chapters in lesson number 1 and we had 3 chapters in lesson number 2, but now in lesson number 3 we are having I think 5 or 6 chapters. Yes, 6 chapters are here. They are short than the previous, they are shorter than the previous chapters, but they are 6 chapters, so we are going to study today 2 to 3 chapters. Okay, we are dividing some chapters, all these chapters, into 2 lectures. So these are the important characters of lesson number 3. Okay. Yes, these are the important characters of lesson number 3. Some different characters will be introduced over here, like Mr. Quinion, you haven't heard about him. Okay, Mr. Micawber will be introduced over here. Mrs. Micawber, obviously, the wife of Mr. Micawber, and then Miss Betsy Trotwood. Okay, these 4 new characters will be introduced to you in this lesson. Mr. Murdstone, obviously, the stepfather of David Copperfield. Miss Murdstone is the sister, elder sister of Mr. Murdstone. Then we had Emily in the last or previous lectures. Emily is the little beautiful girl who became friend of David Copperfield when he visited Yarmouth for 2 weeks with Miss Peggotty. Okay, then James Steerforth, who was in the first friends list of David Copperfield. Okay, who became a friend with Tommy Traddles. Okay, when we were revising these names, it will be easier for us to remember them. Okay, remember their history also, how they are connected with David Copperfield. Okay, because the story is circulating, is rotating around डेविड. ओके, सारी जो स्टोरी है वो डेविड के गिर्द ही घूम रही है, तो इट विल बी इजी फॉर अस टू कनेक्ट ऑल द कैरेक्टर्स इन रिलेशन विद डेविड कॉपरफील्ड सो दैट वी विल रिमेंबर इट. We will remember all the characters by name and by the relation with David Copperfield. Okay, then Mr. Quinion. Mr. Quinion is the friend, or you may say business partner, business friend or business partner of Mr. Murdstone. Okay, by the help of Mr. Quinion, Mr. Murdstone sent David to his company. He had a company of exporting, importing wines. Okay, unko packing karna, to fill them in the bottle, put cork on them, utilize or recycle the previous bottles. Okay, so Mr. Quinion had a business. By the help of Mr. Quinion, Mr. Murdstone sent David to do a job. He forced David to do a job, to stand on his own feet, अपने पैरों पर खड़ा करने की कोशिश की उन्होंने मिस्टर मडस्टोन ने डेविड को. And he said that I don't like those people, those boys or those young boys who sit idle in the home. Okay, they should go outside, they should earn for their own selves. So Mr. Murdstone decided, with the help of Mr. Quinion, to force him for the job. Okay, then Mr. Micawber is you may say the owner of the house where David go and rent out the room. Okay, he rent out the room to David. वो वहाँ rent टेनेंट के तौर पे रहने के लिए जाता है, बिकॉज ही वॉज आउट ऑफ द स्टेशन, वो अपने घर से दूर जा रहा है टू डू अ जॉब इन मिस्टर क्वीनियंस कंपनी. So he had to obviously live over there in a separate house because he is very far from his own house. So he had to live over there in a as a paying guest, you may say. He uh, lent the room of Mr. Micawber. मिस्टर मिकोबर के घर में वो एक छोटे से रूम को लेंड करता है एंड ही बिकम्स द टेनेंट. ओके, जो रेंट पे रहने वाले लोग होते हैं दे बिकम टेनेंट ऑफ द ओनर. ठीक है. Then Mrs. Micawber, who was a very faithful and loving wife of Mr. Micawber. Okay, then we had Miss Betsy Trotwood. She is the auntie. Okay, she is the auntie of David. Now, the first chapter is Emily hears about Steerforth. Okay, you have got this page. If you have got the book, open page number 15. Okay, so now we had some more important events in this chapter, that Peggotty was dismissed. Okay, Peggotty को dismiss कर दिया जाता है. Then we had the next important event in this lesson, in this chapter, is David talked about Steerforth. Okay, then Emily liked Steerforth. When David started talking about Steerforth, explaining that which type of friends he had in the Salem house, so Emily became very excited after listening about Steerforth. He started liking to him. Okay, now come to the page number 15. Lesson number 3, I start work. Emily hears about Steerforth. After the funeral of my mother, the first thing that Miss Murdstone did was to dismiss Peggotty. Means just after the funeral, उनकी तदफीन वगैरह होने के बाद, funeral ceremony means the last ceremonies, the last moment of the dead body of the dead person in the world. उनकी जो आखिरी रसूमात है वो complete होने के बाद, the first thing that Miss Murdstone did was to dismiss Peggotty. उन्होंने उसको fire कर दिया because she is no more usable for them. And if Miss Peggotty will not be dismissed, then she will definitely she will be helping David to be at home. अगर वो वहाँ रहती तो वो डेविड को ज़रूर फोर्स करती कि डोंट लीव योर ओन हाउस, इट्स योर हाउस, यू शुड बी हेयर जस्ट. बट उनका तो प्लानिंग ही यही थी. मिस्टर मर्डस्टोन, दे हैव ऑलरेडी प्लान्ड दैट everybody should go out from this house and me and my sister will be living over there. We are controlling, we will overcome all the property of Clara. ठीक है. She had to leave in a month's time, means just collect your all the things, all the stuff from your quarter and go out from there in a month. In a month means कुछ ही महीनों में उसको उन्होंने निकाल के बाहर कर दिया. Peggotty said that she would stay with her brother at Yarmouth for 2 weeks. She asked Miss Murdstone if I could go with her. Means David is saying that when she left the house, she said that I will be staying at Yarmouth for 2 weeks. Okay, with my brother before getting job anywhere. तो मैं अपने भाई के पास यारमाउथ में रुकूंगी for 2 weeks. She asked David also. She asked Miss Murdstone. She got permission with Murdstone that can David go with me to Yarmouth? Oh, said Miss Murdstone, my brother must not be troubled by such matters. She has too much to think about. I suppose the boy can go. Means Murdstone ने खुद ही फैसला कर लिया that David can go with you because my brother has a lot of work to do. He has no time to think about all these matters. And he will not be troubled by all these things. ठीक है, आप चाहें तो उसको ले जा सकती हैं, मेरे भाई को इससे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. You can take David with you. I hope my brother will not be troubled by this. Means she is giving permission on behalf of his brother. Okay, वो अपने भाई के behalf पर उसको permission दे देती है. You can go. At Yarmouth, Mr. Peggotty and Ham were waiting for us. We soon came within sight of Mr. Peggotty's house. It looked just the same. Means वो previously he has already visited at Yarmouth at Mr. Peggotty's house. So at that time also the house was same. There is no change over there. But Mrs. Gummidge was waiting at the door. and Mrs. Gamage was waiting at the door, but little Emily was not there. Okay, Mr. Peggotty told me she was at school. Means Emily was not at the home when they asked about Emily that where is she, because they had a very good friendship with them. So Mr. Peggotty said that she is at school, she would be coming. I knew which way Emily would come home. उसको पता था कि at which way, on which track Emily would be coming from school. वो स्कूल से किस रास्ते से घर को वापस आती है. Then David go at the same track and presently walked slowly along the path to meet her. Then she came. She was prettier and gayer, and her blue eyes looked bluer than ever, means they were shining. Okay, I decided to play a game and pretend I did not know her. I passed by looking into the distance, but little Emily did not care a bit. Means David was pretending to Emily that उसने उसको पहचाना नहीं. He just pretended that he didn't recognize Emily, and as well Emily also started playing the same game, that she didn't even care about anything. She saw me plainly and ran away. Means उसने उसको देखा and she ran away, laughing. Of course, I ran after her and we were very near the cottage when I caught her. Means वो घर पहुंचने ही वाले थे, cottage पहुंचने ही वाले थे. Then David caught her. Oh, it's you, is it? Said little Emily. Oh, you knew who it was, Emily, said I. And didn't you know who I was? Said Emily. Means they both are talking to each other and they are just uh, talking about previous days also, that तुम्हें पता था कि मैं कौन हूँ, but you were pretending, and oh, it's you. Means they both know that we had already looked each other, we had already seen each other, but they were pretending. दोनों को पता था. I was going to kiss her, but she covered her red lips and said she was not a baby now. She was so friendly and kind and had such a pleasant manner that I liked her more than ever. Means she had a very nice discipline in herself and she was very mannerable girl. So David liked her more than ever. Means जितनी वो पहले उसको अच्छी लगी थी in the first meeting, it was the same. Okay, उसको उससे ज़्यादा पसंद आई वो. Then, as we sat by the fire, after tea, I told them about Salem House. Means then they sat by the fire after the tea in the evening, and David decided to tell everything what he had experienced in his Salem House school life, and particularly about Steerforth. Okay, he helped him a lot, so he became his best friends. Okay, Tommy Treadles also and Steerforth also. Actually, Steerforth was 6 year older than David. Okay, वो 6 साल उसकी एज से अपनी अपनी क्लास फेलोज की एज से बड़ा था, because it was the hostel, so there is no limitation of age to get admitted over there. तो वो 6 साल से उसी क्लास में पढ़ रहा था, and he has got a big matured mindset. Okay, उसका जो mind था वो काफी mature था in or as compared to the other boys. He is very handsome, said I, and such a generous. Generous means you can say who spend a lot, whether it is a time, whether it is a money, whether it is any one of his hardworking energy. Okay, वो अपने जितनी उसके अंदर है सलाहियत वो कैपेबिलिटी से ज़्यादा दूसरों को प्रोवाइड करता है. So generous not in the sense of only financially help, it can also be a moralistic help also. Okay, आप अपना टाइम भी अगर किसी को देते हैं तो it means that you are generous. Okay, so it means that he was very kind with David and he was very generous. He was very handsome, fine, noble young man that I cannot praise him enough. Means David liked Steerforth a lot. I was talking eagerly about Steerforth when I saw Emily's face. She was listening with full attention. Okay, वो बड़े गौर से उसको सुन रही थी. Her blue eyes shining like jewels and her cheeks red. Okay, I stopped surprised and they all laughed and looked at her. Means everybody who was sitting over there by the fire in the circle or on the dining hall or sitting area, they all looked at Emily and they all laughed that how eagerly she is listening to the David and all the things about Steerforth. वो बहुत eagerly और बहुत anxiously सुन रही थी, उस excited face से, उसके excited face जो है वो prominently उसकी feelings नजर आ रही थी. Emily is like me, said Peggotty, and would like to see young Mr. Steerforth. Who said this? Miss Peggotty. Sorry, Mr. Peggotty said that. Acha, one more thing, wherever Miss Peggotty is written, it means that they are talking about the maid Peggotty. Okay, and where is only where is Mr. Peggotty is written, it means that he is talking. They are all talking about, या David talking about Mr. Peggotty. Okay, जो उनके भाई हैं, the male person. Okay, और जहाँ Peggotty लिखा हुआ है, it means they are Miss Peggotty. Okay, जहाँ जहाँ मिस पेगोटी है या पेगोटी है, ओनली पेगोटी, इट मीन्स दैट शी इज द मेड सर्वेंट पेगोटी. एंड वेयर एवर यू विल फाइंड मिस्टर पेगोटी, तो इट इज अंडरस्टूड दैट दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द मेल पर्सन हु इज मिस्टर पेगोटी. ओके, तो ये बात याद रखिएगा कि जहाँ पेगोटी है, देन ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट मिस पेगोटी, द मेड सर्वेंट. तो मिस पेगोटी सेड दैट एमिली, उन्होंने क्या किया, उसको सेव करने की कोशिश की. व्हेन ऑल द people were looking at Emily, so she decided to save her, that Emily is also like me and she wants to meet Mr. Steerforth. वो भी मेरी तरह Mr. Steerforth से मिलना चाहती है. Emily was ashamed and hid her face. उसने अपने face को cover कर लिया, hide कर लिया. Looking up a little later and seeing that we were still all looking at her, she ran away. She did not come back until it was nearly time to go bed. Means वो जब तक उसने अपना face किसी और को नहीं, means she went into the bedroom and she didn't came out until it was nearly time to go to bed. Okay, जब तक सोने का time नहीं हो गया, she didn't come out from the bedroom. The time passed quickly and soon I had to return to my unfriendly home, but this time without Peggotty. Means that now Peggotty has dismissed, okay, um, Peggotty has been dismissed by Miss Murdstone, so she had to live over there at Mr. Peggotty house, but David had to come to his own house. वो तो सिर्फ 2 weeks spending के लिए गया था. So when its time come, the time passed quickly and soon he had to go to his own unfriendly home, but this time nobody will be there who will welcome David warmly, and he had to live over there alone with Mr. and Miss Murdstone. Now we had the second chapter, responsible for my own life. Now what will happen in this chapter, that Mr. Murdstone introduced Mr. Quinion, okay, because they both are friends. David was asked to start a job, Murdstone and Grimby's. Okay, now after breakfast, one morning I was going out of the room when Mr. Murdstone told me to stay. Means उन्होंने उसको रोका. A friend of his, Mr. Quinion, was staying with us. He was standing with his hands in his pockets, looking out of the window. Okay, he was standing by the window and he was looking out from the window, and their both hands were in the pockets. David said, Mr. Murdstone, young people should not sit at home idle all the time. I am not rich and education is expensive. I cannot keep you at school and any longer. Means I am not going to bear your educational expenses anymore any longer. So you have to earn by yourself, for your own self, and the young people like you should not be at home sitting idle all the time. And I am not rich, obviously. I am not going to bear any of the expense of your education, so you should start work and earning for your own self. You will have to learn to be responsible for your own life. It happens in the European countries that whenever the boys become mature after 13, 14, you may say, or 15, they become mature. And at the maturity age, they start doing job, and they don't they are not dependent on their parents. Okay, they become responsible for their own lives. They earn for their own selves by themselves. They don't you may say, they don't ask for money to their parents. वो अपने parents के dependent नहीं रहते. वो कोई ना कोई काम start करके, छोटी मोटी कोई भी job start करके, they start earning for their own self. हमारे पाकिस्तान में it does not happen. हमारे यहाँ ऐसा नहीं होता. in fact, in Pakistan, if the young person who is married, even he has got the wife and children also, if he is jobless, then the father of the person, he earns and वो उसको बैठकर खिला भी रहा होता है. In Pakistan it happens. Asian countries में ऐसा होता है, but in the European countries they are very rude with each other. They have no respect for the relations. Okay, so they leave their son and daughters to go out to be responsible for their own life. I am not going to help you. It is the literally it is these are the words of their parents कि हम आप कोई जिम्मेदार नहीं है. You are responsible for your own. जो करना है करो, बाहर जाओ, कमाओ, खाओ, जो करना है करो. We are not going to give you money or we are not going to feed you. ठीक है, हम आपको चमचे में खाना खिलाएंगे नहीं. अब you have to earn for your own self. So and you should begin as soon as possible. Jitna jaldi ho sake, you have to start the work and earn for your own self. It seemed to me that I had already begun. In my rather helpless way, he said, David thought that I have already done. उसने सिर्फ सोचा, इमेजिन किया कि he is saying it right now, but I have already started earning for me my own self. You have heard me mention the business of Mudstone and Grimby. उसने कहा कि you have already heard about this trade business, this wine trade. In the wine trade, wine trade is a wine company. Mudstone and Grimby's is the name of the wine company where the wine is made, it is packed, and it is dispatched. Mr. Quinian here manages that business. There are number of boys that have jobs there, and he suggests that you could be one of them. Means so many boys of your age are working over there, so you should go over there and start working with him. So you are now going to London, Devi, with Mr. Quinian to begin looking after yourself in the world. Now he is again sending him London, away from the home. वो फिर उसको कहीं दूर भेज रहा था ताकि वो उसे जान छुड़ा सके. He is not willing to keep in his own mother's house. वो उसको अपनी माँ के घर में भी रहने की परमिशन नहीं दे रहा था. Achha, now then we have the next chapter is Mudstone and Grimby's. Mudstone and Grimby's is a company name where David is going to start a job. A strange old building it was. Okay, the job was examined to the bottles. The hopes were destroyed. Whose hopes were destroyed? David's hope was destroyed. Okay, now Mudstone and Grimby's. Mudstone and Grimby's was by the river. Okay, it was near the river. It was a strange old building just at the edge of the water when the tide was in, and on the mud when the tide was out. Okay, means it was at the edge of the water. वो बिल्कुल किनारे पर थी. When the tide was in, and on the mud when the tide was out. Means कि वो बिल्कुल water के किनारे पर थी जब tides means जब waves आती थी, and जब वो वेव्स चली जाती थी तो इट बिकम्स ऑन द मड. काफ़ी खस्ता हालत में और ख़राब सी गंदी सी जगह पर जो रिवर के पास होते हैं, ऑब्वियसली दे आर हैविंग वेरी मडी इन्वायरमेंट ओवर देयर. वहाँ चलना फिरना रहना सांस लेना इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द स्टीम ऑफ वाटर ऑफ रिवर एंड बिकॉज ऑफ सॉल्टी वाटर ऑल द टाइम विच इज़ टचिंग द फीट. ओके, बिल्डिंग को भी टच कर रहा है वो सॉल्टी वाटर, तो इट बिकम्स वेरी डिस्गस्टिंग फॉर द पीपल हु वर लिविंग ओवर देयर. वहाँ की बिल्डिंग्स, वहाँ के हाउसेस और उनके पेंट्स, उनकी दीवारें बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब हुई हुई होती हैं. सो इट वॉज द सेम ओल्ड बिल्डिंग. I remember clearly its rotting floors. Rotting floors means tuta phuta. Okay, they were rotting floors and stairs and the dirt and the squeaking and scratching of old grey rats. All the time rats were over there. Squeaking. I told you that it is the sound, you may say, of bats or rats. Okay, वो जो ची 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 करके आवाज निकालते हैं mouses. Their sound calls squeaking. And scratching means वो अपने हाथों से, अपने नाखूनों से अपने आप को scratch करते हैं और बाकी सारी दूसरी चीज़ों को भी टटोलते हैं. तो it is called stretching of old grey rats. The place was almost a ruin. Means it was the ruined building. तबाह हुई हुई building थी वो. It was totally rotten. My job was to examine empty bottles, mean all the empty recycled bottles come over there. It was to examine. It was the job for David to examine all the bottles, holding them up to the light. उसको light में रखकर उसको examine करे, how many scratches are there, कहीं से टूटी फूटी, कहीं से hole तो नहीं है. Those with faults could not be used again. Means if he found any fault, any problem in that bottle, they will not be used again, because obviously wine is a liquid. When liquid will be put into the bottle, it will comes out, वो leak कर जाएगी. The others had to be washed. ओके जो फॉल्टेड थी दे वुड नॉट बी यूज, उनको डिस्कार्ड कर दिया जाता. एंड द अदर्स हु आर नॉट फॉल्ट्स, हु आर नॉट हैविंग द फॉल्ट्स इन दैट, they should be washed. When there were no empty bottles to examine, there was always plenty of other works. If it's basic, his basic job is to examine the bottles. If there is no bottle to examine, it means that he has to do other jobs also. There are plenty of other works to be done. There were corks to be put into the filled bottle, जो fill होकर आती उनको कॉर्क्स देना, टू और फिनिश्ड बॉटल्स टू बी पैक्ड, जो फिनिश्ड फॉर्म में होती है उनको पैक करना. दिस वाज माय वर्क एंड द वर्क ऑफ 2 or 3 अदर बॉयज. मींस विद मी, beside me, all 3, 4, 5 boys were also doing the same work with me. All my hopes of growing up to be an educated and respectable gentleman, means वो अपने घर की हालत को और अपने जिस बेसिक environment से वो आया था, he was about to grow up with a respectable and educated gentleman. The hopes were all destroyed and I felt ashamed of my situation. Means he was guilty कि मैं ये किस किस्म की जॉब कर रहा हूँ, but he was compelled to do this job. Okay. Then it was all about the lesson number 3 and we have just discussed 3 chapters. Okay. What is meant by Grimby's? Ramla Alvi, it's a name. Okay. Mudstone and Grimby's, it's a collaboration of two people's business. मिस्टर मडस्टोन और मिस्टर क्वीनिन की दोनों की कोलैबोरेशन से एक उन्होंने एक कंपनी बनाई थी. इट्स नेम इज मडस्टोन एंड ग्रिम्बीज, वो उसका नाम था. ओके, देयर इज नो मीनिंग ऑफ इट, उसकी कोई मीनिंग नहीं है, ये नाम है. एंड इट वेयर द वाइन ट्रेड इज गोइंग ऑन, वहाँ पर वो वाइन्स बनाते और उनको पैकिंग करते, डिस्पैच करते. ऑल दीज टाइप्स ऑफ वर्क वाज डन ओवर देयर. अच्छा, ओके जी. सो now this is the presentation questions we have. Okay. Acha, first of all, now today I will ask questions from the other people who hadn't got the chance to give me the reply before. ठीक है, आज मैं उनसे questions पूछूंगी. So please, nobody will reply me in the chat box until or unless I will not ask. Otherwise, I'll deduct the marks. ओके, मार्क्स मैं डिडक्ट कर लूँगी उनकी रिमार्क्स में. मैं पुअर और बैड जो भी होगा मुझे फिर मैं वो लिखूंगी. यू हैव टू बी क्वाइट until or unless I will not ask with you. अच्छा जी. Question number 1. Saklan, you didn't reply me yesterday or you have replied? चलें. अच्छा, ahad Khan, 7B, roll number 34. Okay, you should give me reply of who was dismissed after the death of Clara. Okay, I am asking to unmute yourself. Okay, unmute the mic and give me the response. Yes. Yes, Ahad Khan. Who was dismissed after the death
David.
of Clara? Sorry?
David, miss.
No, David was not dismissed. David तो उसका बेटा था. Dismiss तो हम अपने employees को करते हैं. Who was dismissed? किसको dismiss किया गया था क्लारा की डेथ के बाद? वहाँ मेड सर्वेंट कौन था?
Miss Peggotty.
Peggotty, yes. Listen the question very carefully. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Okay, thank you. Very good. Okay, now Ali Jafri. Now you will reply me of question number 2. Where did Peggotty go to stay after getting dismissed? Okay, where did she go? Unmute the mic and give me the response. Yes, Ali Jafri, are you listening me? Are you getting? Ali Jafri, I think you are not active right now. आप हैं ही नहीं शायद सीट पर. You are not listening the lecture even. Okay, it's okay. Now I'm going to ask with Shafin Jabbar. Shafin Jabbar, are you here? Respond me for question number 3. The person who is not responding me, their marks will be 0 over there. Okay, you have to listen the lecture carefully and give me the response. Yes, Shafin Jabbar, give me the reply. Shafin Jabbar, question number 3. Who was very excited to hear about Steerforth? Yes, Shafin. Again, Shafin, do you have the reply answer? You unmuted your mic and then why you are not responding? No, Shafin, no, David. Steerforth के बारे में सुनकर excited कौन था? Who was very excited to hear about Steerforth? No, no, no. No, David तो बता रहा था about the Steerforth. वो तो अपनी कहानी सुना रहा था about his friends. उसको सुनने वाला कौन था? They were sitting beside the fire. Everybody was sitting by the fire, and Miss Peggotty was over there. Mr. Peggotty was over there. Emily was there. Yes, very good, Saklan. Saklan, but आपने क्यों reply दिया? I didn't ask to you. मैंने तो नहीं पूछा था आपसे. मुझे explain करने दिया कीजिए so that everybody should remember what I'm asking. अच्छा, okay. Now leave this question. Okay, Sumayya, you reply me for question number 4. Who was introduced by Mr. Murdstone to David? Sumayya Ahmed. Unmute your mic and give me the response. Who was introduced by Mr. Murdstone to David? Sumayya, you are not listening. Acha, Muhammad Ali, you reply me for that. Who was introduced by Mr. Murdstone to David? किसको introduce किया था?
Mr. Quinion.
Mr. Quinion, very good. He was the partner of Mr. Murdstone in that company, Grimby's and Murdstone and Grimby's. Acha, Umar Abdul Rahman, you should give me the reply of question number 5. Name the company where David started work. Name the company where David started work. उस company का नाम क्या था? Yes. Umar Abdul Rahman, are you getting? मेरी वॉइस आपको आ रही है? अच्छा, if Umar Abdul Rahman is not there, then Afra Wajahat, you may respond me for question number 5. Name the company where David started work. क्या नाम था उस कंपनी का? Yes, Afra. Afra is again not responding me. भाई ऐसे नहीं होता है. You have to respond me so that I would know that what I am explaining you. Are you getting all the things or not? ये तो कोई बात नहीं हुई. That you people are not responding me. This is not fair. Acha, Rumesa Abid, you should reply me for question number 5. Name the company. Yes, Muhammad Ali. Write in the chat box if you want to give me the response. Rumesa Abid. Why you people are not unmuting your mic? अपना mic को unmute कीजिए and then response me. Yes. Yes, Rumesa. हाँ मोहम्मद अली बताइए, आंसर बताइए. Give me the reply in the chat box. आप मुझे लिखकर बताइए. I am asking to Rumesa, वो मुझे उसमें response देंगी mic में. Name the company. बेटे मोहम्मद अली, name the company. I need the name of the company. Yes, Rumesa Abid. Whose mic is? Yes. It was a wine trade, Muhammad Ali, but what is the name of the company? I'm asking the name. Yes, Ramla, you may write. You may write in the chat box if you know the answer. Mudstone and Grimby's. Very good, Vanya. Very nice. Obviously, जब मुझे relevant students to whom I'm asking, if they will not reply, I will ask to anybody or whoever wants to give me the response, they are allowed. ओके जब मुझे मेरी मर्जी वाले स्टूडेंट्स मुझे रिप्लाई नहीं देंगे तो इट्स अप टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स दैट दे कैन रिस्पॉन्ड मी इन द चैट बॉक्स. यस, वेरी गुड रमला. बट ग्रीन डीज नहीं है वो, मडस्टोन एंड ग्रीन पीज, एंड दिस इज मडस्टोन, MURD. Okay, so many people have done mistake that they are writing mudstone. This is not mudstone, मट्टी वाला mud नहीं है वो. Okay, this is mudstone. Okay, now the time is short. We have, acha, your dictation is today. Okay, it will be posted. You can maybe it will be posted at 11:30. Okay, तो आप 12 बजे के बाद you may attempt the dictation. Okay, attempt it very carefully, and after some hours I will switch off, और आई विल नॉट टेक द रिस्पॉन्स. ओके, एक टाइम लिमिट है. ओके, यू हैव 3 to 4 hours टू अटेम्प्ट योर क्विज और डिक्टेशन. ओके, 5-6 घंटे के बाद आई विल स्टॉप टेकिंग रिस्पॉन्सेज. तो उससे पहले पहले अपने क्विजेस और अपने डिक्टेशंस यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट. ये मैं बार बार नहीं बताऊंगी. ओके, चलें जी, इट्स टाइम टू गो. Okay, we will inshallah meet on next Wednesday. Obviously that we are having Eid holidays on Monday, so on Monday we will not be having the class. ठीक है, so in advance I want you all to be very safe in this Eid atmosphere. Be careful, okay, while going out with your animals, with your guy and bakre or whatever. ठीक है, so in advance I want to say Eid Mubarak to you all the students, and happy, and you should be very careful. Okay, all the girls and boys, thank you so much all of you. We will inshallah meet tomorrow. mm, Tomorrow are Eid holidays, but the post has been posted over there in the classroom. Okay, वो मैंने post कर दी थी. So you can see over there that from which day the holidays are starting. Okay, Miss, I enjoy in your class. Really, I also enjoy your class. Okay, when you people respond and when you people give me the feedback, I really enjoy. मुझे पता तो चले कि you people are very much interested in getting these lessons, और मुझे भी मज़ा आता है कि आप enjoy कर रहे हैं और मुझे respond कर रहे हैं. चलें जी, okay, thank you so much all of you. We will meet inshallah on next Wednesday. Till then, Allah Hafiz and happy Eid to you all. Allah Hafiz.